Welcome back to Infigyan friends. In this video, we are going to take up one challenging question from radical mathematics. Here we have to evaluate expression x root x plus y root y over x power 5 plus y power 5 if x and y is known to us. Just by observing the given expressions x and y, both values are positive. Now I will begin with multiplication x times y. If you will multiply, root 11 minus root 7 and root 11 plus root 7 will be cancelled out from numerator denominator. Xy will be 1. Now let us consider the rationalization of x and y. I will write our x as square root 11 plus square root 7 divided by square root 11 minus square root 7. The conjugate of denominator will be square root 11 plus square root 7 over same we will multiply in the denominator also. Now denominator is a plus b, a minus b. You will write here the difference of two squares formula 11 minus 7. Numerator is square root 11 plus square root 7 whole square. Let's expand using algebraic formula. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and denominator is 4. So this is 18 plus 2 root 77 divided by 4, or 9 plus root 77 over 2. Similarly, if you will rationalize the y expression also, I will write directly y will come out 9 minus square root 77 over 2. Conclusion is x value is 9 plus square root 77 over 2. Y value is 9 minus square root 77 over 2. If I will add both x plus y, then it will become 9 over 2 plus 9 over 2, that is 9. So now new set of system of equation xy 1 and x plus y is 9. Let me write here x plus y is 9 and xy is 1. Now as per our required numerator of the expression, we have to find out root x plus root y term. How it would be? I will write root x plus root y whole square. Expand it using algebraic identity. X plus y plus 2 times root xy. Let's put the value. Xy is 1. X plus y I will write 9 plus 2 times square root 1. So I will write 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11. Now take a square root both sides. As x and y both values are positive, this value we will write square root x plus square root y equal to square root 11. Minus we will reject as x and y both values are positive. Now I will consider cube of this equation. Let us take root x plus root y equal to root 11. Now I will take cubing. So left hand side a plus b whole cube, a cube, so that is root x cube, and that is x root x. B cube, again y root y, plus 3 times ab. So I will write root xy in bracket a plus b, so root x plus root y, and right hand side I will write 11 root 11. Now let us put the value of xy, that is 1, root x plus root y, it is 11. Let us put, so I will write x root x plus y root y plus 3 times root x plus root y, that is square root 11, equal to 11 root 11. Conclusion is x root x, the numerator of required expression, y root y equal to 8 root 11. Numerator is here. Now we have to find out our denominator, x power 5 plus y power 5. So I will begin with x plus y is known to us, that is 9. Let us find out x square plus y square. So once I will take squaring of this equation, I will write x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 81. So x square plus y square plus 2. So it will become 79. Now this is x square plus y square. Now I will consider the cubing of the same equation. Let's consider the cube both sides. So I will write x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. Let me write once in bracket x plus y and equal to 9 cube. Let us put the value x cube plus y cube plus xy is 1. Let me write here. So I will write 3 times x plus y is 9 equal to 9 cube. So x cube plus y cube equal to 9 cube minus 27. And 27 I can consider 9 cube minus 3 cube. Or you can write here 3 square. So 3 power 6 minus 3 cube. If you will take 3 cube common, then you will write 3 cube minus 1. So 3 cube is 27. 3 cube is 27 minus 1, 26. And if you will take the product, this value is 702. Now x cube plus y cube is known. X square plus y square is known. So it is easy to find out x power 5 plus y power 5. Now I will take the product of both this equation and this equation. So I will write x cube plus y cube equal to, you will multiply 79 with 702. So left hand side, if I will write x power 5 plus y power 5, then cross multiplication x square y cube plus x cube y square, and right hand side 79702 product. Now I will take common from here. X square y square is common. In bracket I will write x plus y plus x same as x plus y equal to 79 times 702. Let us put the value. So x power 5 plus y power 5 plus xy is 1 and x plus y is 9. So 1 times 9, 9. So I will write here 9 equal to 79 times 702. So x power 5 plus y power 5, this value will be, if I will take away and I will write the exact magnitude, then I will write 55,458 minus 9. So let me write directly 55,449. This is our denominator. Now only need to put the value. So let's find the required expression. I will write x root x plus y root y divided by x power 5 plus y power 5. Numerator is 8 root 11. Denominator we calculated 55,449. So this is our required answer for the expression. I hope this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe friends. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care.